What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have this fallish inspired kind of look. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm starting off by priming my eyes. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade medium, so I'm just going to apply it and blend it out. For the palette today, we'll be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition. Yeah, Rose Gold Edition. I'm using Man Eater, and I'm applying it with a flat brush on the outer corner of my eye. Now using a blending brush, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not going to bring it too far towards the inner corner of my eye, so I'm just going to focus it there and just blend it out. Now I'm picking up a black truffle and I'm using a pencil brush. I am going to be drawing an eyeliner with the shade. Now I'm going in with a blending brush and just blend out the black truffle shade. Then I did go back and reapply it because I didn't want it to fade completely. So I just applied it a little bit more, and then I went back with the blending brush and just kind of blended everything out, just so that you don't see any harsh lines or any of that. So yeah, I just blended it out, and if you need to go back and reapply the color, go ahead. Now I'm just cleaning up my eyeliner and sharpening it up a little bit more. Then I am gonna curl the 5 lashes that I have. The lashes I'll be using today are by Lash Kitty Lashes. These are in the style Pokerface. I'm using this lip liner by Italia Deluxe Cosmetics. This is in the shade Black Currant. I'm applying this on my waterline. Then I'm applying a little bit of Man Eater and Black Truffle together to my bottom lash line and just blended them out together. For my tear duct, I applied a little bit of moon dust, and then just a little bit of mascara to blend in the falsies with my natural lashes. And that's it. That completes this easy fall inspired makeup look. If you guys want to see more of these looks, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.